Namaste viewers. This is Syed from Saisha Motors. This is an old wagon and we are doing completely paint remove and paint. See, paint is done already. See, especially we do inside also. We did painting inside also, door trim, dashboard, seat cover replacement, stereo system also. So if you have any query about this one, same this work like inside painting, outside dashboard painting, door pad painting, all painting, anything, body work, see roof also, cloth change. So any query you can call us. Thanks for watching.